combined of 3 syllables, ah, oo, and And when you sing these syllables, making a continuous tone, you tap into the vagus nerve, which deals with switching on relaxation in your body. You also produce this gas called nitric oxide, which has powerful healing properties, especially dilating blood vessels, lowering blood pressure, and making you feel more calm and relaxed. Just going to be breathing in through your nose, always through your nose on the inhale, into your diaphragm. So you imagine your belly rises first when you breathe in through your nose, and then you're making that tone. And you can just do that over and over again, and that instantly calms down the stress. It helps you raise carbon dioxide, which is to do with dilating your blood vessels, getting oxygen into your actual body.